Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. An outdoor carpet can be the perfect solution if you aim to elevate your outdoor living space. With Dubai's unique climate, marked by intense heat and frequent sandy winds, choosing the right carpet requires more than just picking one that looks good. In today's video, we'll explore how to select an outdoor carpet that combines style, durability, and practicality, ensuring your space is as comfortable as it is beautiful. Tip 1. Why choose an outdoor carpet? An outdoor carpet does more than add aesthetic appeal. It transforms patios, balconies, and poolside areas into cozy, inviting spaces. These carpets protect flooring from wear and tear while withstanding outdoor conditions like sun, sand, and moisture. For Dubai's blend of modern design and love of outdoor living, a well-chosen carpet creates an oasis of comfort and style. Tip 2. Key factors to consider. When selecting an outdoor carpet, it's crucial to focus on material, weather resistance, size, design, and maintenance. Durable materials like polypropylene and recycled plastics are ideal for Dubai's harsh climate as they resist UV rays, moisture, and dust. Measuring your space is essential to find the perfect fit, and neutral or bold patterns complement contemporary furniture while hiding dirt. Maintenance is also key. Opt for carpets that are easy to hose down or washable to ensure longevity. Tip 3. Where to buy outdoor carpets in Dubai. Dubai offers excellent shopping options for outdoor carpets. Dragon Mart and Ace Hardware provide durable, budget-friendly choices, while Home Center features trendy designs. Online platforms like Amazon and Noon are convenient for a wider range of styles with delivery options. Wherever you shop, prioritize quality and check the warranty or return policy before buying. And there you have it. Choosing the perfect outdoor carpet for your Dubai home doesn't have to be complicated. With the right material, size, and design, you can create an outdoor oasis that's both beautiful and functional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.